In today's video, I'm showing you how basically the gold's purity and weight gets checked. And this usually gets checked at a pawnbroker shop, a jewelry shop, or a government approved shop where they can either directly check the purity in case the gold has any mix. Like here you see there's an iron rod which the pawnbroker is trying to get rid of when the weigh will be done, and to remove he is carefully beating this down with hammer and then removing the gold layer. So basically over the time with usage there might be some impurities in form of soap, detergent, which gets used from time to time, and also moisture content gets inside the gold jewelry if there are any porous space. So you'll get to see how those residues are getting cleaned and how the weigh is done and how much difference actually you get to see that in this video, how the difference in weight happens once everything is cleaned. So it's a very delicate process. Here you would see that a lot of beating is happening. These people are professionals and they are trained to exactly know where to hit and to ensure that there are no wastage of any of the material which is here. So this is the gold getting weighed. Okay. And then this is the cleaning process, basically drying up the moisture content and also the debris which is there inside the gold. So once everything is done and the gold has no residue left, the next process is to weigh it again. And you see there is a difference between what it was earlier to now. And then it's time to check the purity. So here is the sample.
We are closing it. From here we click start. One time is enough in case if it is on.
This gentleman will explain what it means.
Actually, yellow color is gold. Maroon is copper. In case if it is white, anywhere find it. Silver, either cadmium will be there.
Okay. So what is the count rate?
Count rate, it is taking the entire whatever the gold we have kept. So much of drops are going X-rays. In case if it is small, then that will take only around the count rate is now it is going around 1500. In case small we are putting, then it will be around 900, 700.
Okay. Now where do you get to see
the purity is this 91.95.
Okay.
And this is the carat. 8.8% of the copper is there.
Okay.
No other metals are added.
Now again it will be weighed in front of you to show what is the final weight, and then after the moisture, debris, everything gone, the weight what it actually had versus now is different. So this is how the purity and weight is checked.